Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MUHA. I'm going to be showing you guys a video of how I contour my face, and also I'm going to unwrap this amazing Becca highlighter that I got. I'm really excited. I took a little sneak peek before I went on this video, so don't blame me too bad. But you know, when you first get something, you gotta open it up. You have to be nosy. First, applying my foundation. This right here is the Floyd Roberts Ginger Foundation Cream to Powder, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face. Now I'm going to apply my BYS concealer under my eye area and then bake my lids with the Kat Von D baking powder. Skip that step. My hand gets tired of blending. I'm sorry. Yeah, got that. Now this is the Locket powder from Kat Von D, and I'm going to apply it under my eye area. Sephora No Mistake concealer or foundation stick. Alright, so now we get to the best part, the part that we have all been waiting for. This right here is the Becca Light Medium to Deep Face Palette. I just got it yesterday. I did take a little sneak peek. So, it's a box inside a box. How mysterious. Okay, with your bad self, trying to be sexy and stuff. Alright. Show them a little shoulder. I got something for you. Okay, a little tease. Ooh, look at that. This right here is the Becca contour, like highlight slash blush slash highlight and definition within the depths of my face and my soul. Look at that. It comes with a light, it comes with a medium, it comes with a deep, and it also comes with a kind of like a blush. So that is fire. It looks like a 2-in-1. You only need to use this for the rest of your life and you are good. So let's use the mediums like right here, and then the darks right here, and then the highlight. Okay, cool. I got it. See, sometimes you need to think before you do stuff, before you put it on, and then you just be like, now I'm gonna start all over again. Because I will start all over again. Maybe cry a little bit and punch something, but other than that, I'll be okay. So let's apply this medium right here. Kind of use it as like a pressed powder or whatever. And then I'm going to be using these two, the medium and the dark together. And put this right here for the contour. Ooh, girl. Miss Jenny on the block herself. Look at that. So what I do is to get rid of that shadow and to sharpen it up. To give me a little bit more of a dramatic look, I'm going to be using the Locket powder right here. Then let's start with the blush. Use this right here, this rosy color. Now, just to make your toes curl, I'm going to be using this Becca Highlighter. I actually got it through, like at Sephora, they have this thing where if you spend a certain amount of points, then you get these little tiny sample thingies. You get like skincare, a little lipstick or something. So I choose to get this bougie Becca Highlighter. I don't know if you're really supposed to see out this mirror. Like, look how tiny this mirror is. Let it out. Okay, next I'm going to be using this Ultra Matte Lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, and yeah, I'm going to apply all over my lips. I got it from Wish for just a few dollars, so it's really inexpensive. Now to tone this lip color down, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminating Powder. This is one of my favorite highlighters. That's what I do when I'm angry. So yeah, I thought this palette was amazing. Overall, it's just beautiful to look at. But yeah, who don't want to look at a palette like this? Look at that, look at that. I feel like I'm in a makeup studio already, look at that. So it comes with the, I guess, a light tone, a medium tone, a deep tone for your contour, and a blush. It is very well planned out. I thought that they did a really good job with this. It was definitely worth it. It really wasn't that expensive. To the boxing and, you know, the teasing and the seducing and all that good stuff, the little shimmer shine, I think it was fire. It was that stuff. So yeah, if y'all want to get this highlighter, you can order it from Sephora, or if you find it anywhere else. I mean, I would like to see what you guys use too. I'm always open to new makeup, so yeah. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, and make sure you follow me on Twitter too.